Indigo Workshop, Temple, Community, Taiwanese Croissant, Indigo Gallery, Heritage Museum, Qingshui Zushi Temple, Homemade Soya SOSO Enterprise, Indigo Tourist Center, Indigo Workshop, Indigo Park, Old Street. This is Sanxia, 三峡三峽。Hi everyone, I'm Moony. Recently I visited a district in Taiwan called Sanxia. It's been on the top of my bucket list because it's famous for its indigo dye culture and I am a little human practicing natural dye and no surprise, I've totally fallen in love with it. Sanxia is a southwestern New Taipei district, sitting at the junction of three rivers, and that's why it's called Sanxia, which means three gorges in Chinese. Its earlier settlement of immigrants from China date back to more than 300 years ago that is not only home to the Han people, but also indigenous Leilang and Ami tribe. As Sanxia is gifted with nature, while indigo plants thrive here. It was once a vital and prosperous town of indigo dye industry during the Qing dynasty and the Japanese occupation that it used to have 7 dyeing factories at the same time. Although the industry has long diminished, more and more people from different generations are trying to revive this cultural heritage in the recent decades. Today, there are a number of places here where visitors can learn about the history of Sanxia indigo and enjoy indigo workshops. What's more, the Indigo Dyeing Festival is held here annually to celebrate indigo art. Of course, Sanxia isn't only about indigo dye, it also used to produce teas, camphor, and coal. Meanwhile, it has a lot of must-see historical architectures, including the beautiful Sanxia Old Street and the really stunning Qingshui Zushi Temple. I also tried the Taiwanese croissant, which is a new specialty of Sanxia. Sanxia is the second largest district in Greater Taipei that I've just seen a very little part of its beautiful sceneries while I started visiting it the second I got on the bus back home. I am definitely coming back someday, while in this video, I'm going to share with you the different sides of Sanxia I just witnessed. Let's go!
甘樂食堂 is called and it is over there. 到啦 is 甘樂文創。
So I got to Sanxia from Central Taipei by bus in the morning that my first stop was an occasional indigo workshop at the Kouji Restaurant. It's by the quiet Sanxia riverbank near the Sanxia Art Bridge, renovated from a century-old house. The Kouji Restaurant specializes in earth cuisine made with local ingredients, local soybeans, traditional Japanese miso, meaning and so on that is funded by the Culture, Arts and Nature Social Enterprise, established in 2010 to provide educational and career support for the locals. The soy products served here are all from Hidekawa soy food products, another brand also found by the can. More than a restaurant, here they provide occasional indigo dyeing workshop that, as long as there are 2 participants or more, you can pre-book the workshop latest by 3 days before. I made the request just one night before, but I was lucky enough to join a primary school morning tour with about 20 students. The session was designed for the children, so the tie-dye techniques taught were rather simple, but the children are so lovely that I really enjoy it.
好，那杨平老师，我现在呢绑的是松松的，等一下你们在绑的时候要绑紧一点啊，你要把它绑紧，至少绑个2圈到3圈，好，让它紧紧的。好，那这样子之后就会变成像一球的染布，我们就会下去染，然后它最后摊开来就会变成云染，把它绑橡皮筋，好，1、2、3，对折过来，你就会发现所有的图案。 都重叠在一起了。好，铅笔呢画出半颗爱心，它们这样折过来的时候，图案是长得一模一样的。有没有看到？如果你绑平平的，最后你出来的会是一个多边形。反的压过去，再来正的折过來，反的壓過去。
求撚期咁樣綁咗2塊布，有好多小朋友啊！跟住我哋而家。 We are ready to put our fabrics into dye set. What's the temple here? What temple is it? A list of the names of people who donate for the Qingshui. Oh, hello. I'm going to this folk making because I just had that one omiyage from Sanxia is 金牛角。
The second spot I visit is the Indigo Gallery run by the Sanxia Culture Association, a non-profit organization which aims at studying and promoting Sanxia culture. It's right next to the Sanxia Heritage Museum that my favorite part is its gallery with rather detailed exhibition about the indigo plant itself and how wood block dye, stitch dye, print dye and batik is done. There are also plenty of exhibits of indigo works, while at the other showroom, visitors can choose from many different indigo products that I bought myself a very cute amulet. Workshops are available 10 to 4 on the opening days, but the staff suggests to ask in advance as there may be group bookings taking up the place.
Here it is inside the museum. There are a lot of antiques. And they have a few different galleries.
You to enjoy the video. And those are the back visit table.
Wow, 好大級啊 It's so beautiful inside, oh my god. Wow. And this is the hand you can take. Just skin him and take the hand and burn it. Wow. It looks a little bit like the cathedrals, Gothic ones. Oh my god, it's just so stunning. Oh, they're upstairs. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Let's see what they have inside. Qingshui Menchuan Dian, second floor. I am still learning about all the gods. Menchuan Dian, Menchuan is a god you pray to for your academy. So it, I think it's mostly for students. 啊，好靚啊 ！Oh my god! This is a deer to sorry, I don't know what they are. And a turtle. A lot of stone carving. The other side of the second floor.
At a quiet corner near Sanxia Old Street is Hidekawa Sofa Store plus Haksip Village, a venue renovated from the 70-year-old Island Hospital, which also belongs to the Can Social Enterprise. Besides selling soy products from drinks to savory to desserts made with Taiwan cultivated non-GMO and pesticide-free soybeans, it's also a venue providing the needed ones with career training and job opportunities on food production, management, and so on. What's more, here there are workshops where visitors can experience miso and tofu DIY, leather crafting, wood carving, and metalwork. It's a shame I didn't have enough time to explore this meaningful place.
I really want that. 豆漿優腳奶凍卷，色羅春奶凍卷。So many choices. Oh, there's a tofu. 有豆乾。
I went to yet another spot of Indigo Dye just before dawn, which is the Indigo Park and Tourist Center. As the name suggests, it's a little cozy park with indigo artwork and a massive wooden dye bucket display, which is really cute. On the side is the Indigo Tourist Center run by the Sanxia Blue organization, found to study the cultural history of Sanxia indigo and promote the awareness of environmental conservation. There are not only all sorts of indigo displays and products available at the tourist center, but also books about indigo art and different traditional Taiwanese artisans. And of course, there are also workshops here. Walk-ins are welcome to experience indigo dye. There are lots of different ready-to-dye cotton goods are on the menu, while they showcase really a lot of dyeing techniques.
They have workshop available here, so you can buy different materials and then they'll teach you how to dye with indigo shibori. 呢啲就叫做型紙。These are the pattern papers. Wow, that's so much shibori. How are you? This street is so beautiful. Old Street. I didn't know that actually Sanxia is one of the oldest districts in Taiwan. 條街好靚。This is another my favorite place in Taiwan so far. One is Daochang and one is Sanxia. I don't know if I'll explore some other also beautiful old streets in Taiwan. I've never seen this kind of machine. So interesting, so cute, so lovely. It's just so Japanese. They have all the Japanese brands in cosmetics, fashion, food, snacks, toys, and the culture is so Japanese because Taiwan is colonized by Japan. About 5:30, but most of the shops are closed already. Today is Friday. I think they may close like during weekends. 招財貓專門店風車 recall. A shop selling wood rails. 咁筷子喎。Oh, this is so cute. 我知意思。Let's have a look. Oh, this wood mailbox is so pretty. Everything is so pretty here. Oh my god. 嗰間係咩嚟㗎？賣鞋嘅。Oh, that roof. I want the bookmarks. That's so many, so pretty.
So it has been my day in Sanxia. I hope to film more next time when I go again. There will be more of my previous and future cultural vlogs and also my own experiences on natural dye. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much and see you next time.